Hi everyone, so today I'm making some of winter decorations from these old vintage ornaments. This was from my grandma and grandma. They loved birds also very much, and then my mom had it. And now I had it because they are broken, and I love to reuse it, remake, recycle something, especially if they have sentimental values. So the first one, as you see, it's really broken. I was thinking first, actually I had it here, but got broken also. So now I was thinking just to put it up here, and I'm gonna glue it now with hot glue. Like this. I think I'm not gonna add nothing more on this one. And then for this one, I already prepared this pine cone, and I was also thinking just to put it somehow like this. So this one, I will leave it like this. I was thinking to add some of these balls, but I think I'm gonna leave them without. Yes. Okay. And for the third one, I practically glued this already. I was thinking to add some more pine cones, maybe here, and a bit of green, and maybe one here. And then I will just add this Christmas tree on top, and the rest I will leave to your imagination. So, yeah, let's put also both here. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Ciao!